Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here with a bit of an announcement. If you haven't heard already, Amy and I are having a live sale this coming Wednesday, October 18th at 11 a.m. Eastern, which is what, 11, 10, 8 a.m. Pacific and 4 p.m. in the UK. So hopefully I got those times right. But definitely check and see what time it is, but it's 11 a.m. Eastern. And we have tons of stuff up for grabs. There is handmade goodies like this, which is a wall hanging I created, and hopefully it will find a new home with somebody at the live sale. Um, and we have junk journal supplies. I've got vintage books. I've got stamps. There's fabric. I know Amy has bridal appliques. She has handmade stuff. She's got fabric too. There's just tons of stuff. It's our annual live sale that we do every year. This is the 4th year in a row that we've done it, and we're really excited to do it. So that is 11 a.m. on Wednesday, October 18th. And you need to fill out a Google Doc, which I'm going to have linked in the description box below for you. And this is sort of in an effort to cut down on, let's just say, Amy and I having to find people after they've purchased from the sale. If you fill out the Google Doc, you'll be able to purchase, no problems at all. That's the only requirement we have for the sale, is that you must fill out this Google Doc with your information in it. That's all, so we know where you are. And also, instead of going through PayPal this time, even though you can pay with PayPal, we're going to be putting your live sale buys in our Etsy shops. And the reason we're also doing that is it makes it more easy and more economical for both Amy and I to do the shipping. You can still use your PayPal. You can use any form of payment on Etsy. You don't even have to have an Etsy account. You can check out as a guest. So if you want to use PayPal and you don't want to open an Etsy account, you don't have to. You can just check out as a guest using your PayPal, or you can use a credit card. You can use anything, debit card, anything you like. So it will make it easier for you guys as well. But all that information will also be at the live sale as well. So if you have any questions, you can message myself or Amy, and we'll be happy to fill you in on anything you need to know. But it will be on Amy's channel. So I'm going to have a link to Amy's channel and a link to the Google Doc down below, as well as a link to my Etsy and Amy's Etsy in the description box. Nothing will be up, of course, for the live sale until after you guys have been to the live sale and bought your goodies. But there is a ton of really great stuff. So yes, there will be laces as well for anybody who's wondering. There will be laces. So I will see you guys on Wednesday over on Amy's channel at 11 a.m. Eastern, and I'm sure we're all going to have a great time. So we'll see you then. Bye.